Hello, welcome back. How well do you really know the story of Job? We're covering it all, from his immense wealth to his devastating losses, the arguments with his friends, and God's final, powerful answer. We have 30 questions prepared for you, covering his entire journey. Are you ready? Let's dive in. What did Satan claim Job would do if God struck all that he had? Answer: curse God to his face, Job 1:11. But now, stretch out your hand and touch all that he has, and he will surely curse you to your face. How many times did Satan appear before the Lord in the opening chapters of Job? Answer: 2, Job 2:1. Again, there was a day when the sons of God came to present themselves before the Lord, and Satan came also among them to present himself before the Lord. What was Job doing when he received news of his calamities? Answer: offering sacrifices for his children. Job 1:5. So it was, when the days of feasting had run their course, that Job would send and sanctify them, and he would rise early in the morning and offer burnt offerings according to the number of them all. For Job said, "It may be that my sons have sinned and cursed God in their hearts." This Job did regularly. What disaster first struck Job's oxen and donkeys? Answer: Sabeans raided them. Job 1:14-15. And a messenger came to Job and said, "The oxen were plowing and the donkeys feeding beside them, when the Sabeans raided them and took them away. Indeed, they have killed the servants with the edge of the sword, and I alone have escaped to tell you." What did Job say God hangs the earth upon? Answer: nothing. Job 26:7. He stretches out the north over empty space. He hangs the earth on nothing. How many animals did Job originally own in total? Oxen, donkeys, sheep, camels. Answer: 19,500. Job 1:3. Also his possessions were 7,000 sheep, 3,000 camels, 500 yoke of oxen, 500 female donkeys, and a very large household, so that this man was the greatest of all the people of the East. How many sons did Job have? Answer: 7. Job 1:2. And 7 sons and 3 daughters were born to him. What did Satan claim was the reason Job served God? Answer: because God had blessed and protected him, Job 1:10. Have you not made a hedge around him, around his household, and around all that he has on every side? You have blessed the work of his hands, and his possessions have increased in the land. What fell from heaven and burned up Job's sheep and servants? Answer: fire of God. Job 1:16. While he was still speaking, another also came and said, the fire of God fell from heaven and burned up the sheep and the servants, and consumed them, and I alone have escaped to tell you. What did Job say when he lost everything? Answer: blessed be the name of the Lord. Job 1:21. And he said, naked I came from my mother's womb, and naked shall I return there. The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord. What physical affliction did Satan strike Job with? Answer: painful boils. Job 2:7. So Satan went out from the presence of the Lord and struck Job with painful boils from the sole of his foot to the crown of his head. What advice did Job's wife give him when he was suffering? Answer: curse God and die. Job 2:9. Then his wife said to him, do you still hold fast to your integrity? Curse God and die. How many days and nights did Job's friends sit with him without speaking? Answer: 7. Job 2:13. So they sat down with him on the ground 7 days and 7 nights, and no one spoke a word to him, for they saw that his grief was very great. What did Job curse in chapter 3? Answer: the day of his birth. Job 3:1. After this, Job opened his mouth and cursed the day of his birth. Which of Job's friends spoke first? Answer: Eliphaz the Temanite. Job 4:1. Then Eliphaz the Temanite answered and said, what did Satan say he had been doing when God asked him? Answer: going to and fro on the earth and walking back and forth on it. Job 1:7. And the Lord said to Satan, from where do you come? So Satan answered the Lord and said, from going to and fro on the earth and from walking back and forth on it. What did Eliphaz suggest was the cause of Job's suffering? Answer: his secret sins. Job 4:7-8. Remember now, whoever perished being innocent, or where were the upright ever cut off? Even as I have seen, those who plow iniquity and sow trouble reap the same. What was the name of Job's first daughter after his restoration? Answer: Jemima. Job 42:14. And he called the name of the first Jemima, the name of the second Keziah, and the name of the third Karen Hapuch. What did Job say his days were swifter than? Answer: a weaver's shuttle. Job 7:6. My days are swifter than a weaver's shuttle, and are spent without hope. How did Job describe his friends? Answer: physicians of no value. Job 13:4. But you, forgers of lies, you are all worthless physicians. What did Job wish were written in a book and engraved with an iron pen? Answer: his hope in the Redeemer. Job 19:23-24. Oh, that my words were written. Oh, that they were inscribed in a book, that they were engraved on a rock with an iron pen and lead, forever. What is the fear of the Lord according to Job 28? Answer: wisdom. Job 28:28. And to man he said, behold, the fear of the Lord, that is wisdom, and to depart from evil is understanding. Who said, can you search out the deep things of God? Can you find out the limits of the Almighty? Answer: Zophar. Job 11:7. Can you search out the deep things of God? Can you find out the limits of the Almighty? How many daughters did Job have after God restored him? Answer: 3. Job 42:13. He also had 7 sons and 3 daughters. How many years did Job live after his restoration? Answer: 140 years. Job 42:16. After this, Job lived 140 years and saw his children and grandchildren for 4 generations. What did Job's friends have to offer as a burnt offering for their error? Answer: 7 bulls and 7 rams. Job 42:8. Now therefore take for yourselves 7 bulls and 7 rams. Go to my servant Job, and offer up for yourselves a burnt offering, and my servant Job shall pray for you. How did Job describe his skin in his suffering? Answer: clinging to his bones. Job 19:20. My bone clings to my skin and to my flesh, and I have escaped by the skin of my teeth. What did Job say about those who plow iniquity? Answer: they reap the same. Job 4:8. Even as I have seen, those who plow iniquity and sow trouble reap the same. What did Job say his breath was like to his wife? Answer: offensive. Job 19:17. My breath is offensive to my wife, and I am repulsive to the children of my own body. What did the Lord restore to Job at the end? Answer: twice as much as he had before. Job 42:10. And the Lord restored Job's losses when he prayed for his friends. Indeed, the Lord gave Job twice as much as he had before. Thanks for joining us on this Bible quiz journey. We hope you had fun and learned something new. Let's know your score in the comments section below. Until next time, may the peace of the Lord be with you.